everyone, this is Mohan Pravalli. In my previous sessions, I have discussed about use of indefinite and definite articles. Today, I am here to discuss omission of articles. It is very important to know where we should omit articles. To know this concept, let us discuss with examples. Articles are omitted before a noun used in its widest sense. We omit article before a noun used in its widest sense. To know this concept, let me write some examples here. Man is mortal. Look at the example here. Man is mortal. Man is common noun here. It is used in its widest sense because it represents whole class of men here. So we omit article before man. To understand this concept, let me write one more example. Woman is tender-hearted. Look at the example here. Woman is tender-hearted. Woman is common noun here. It represents whole class of women. So we omit article before woman when it is used in widest sense. I hope you have understood this concept. Articles are also omitted before an abstract noun. Before an abstract noun. Articles are omitted before abstract nouns. To understand this concept, let me write some examples here. Honesty is the best policy. Best policy. Look at here. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty is an abstract noun. So we omit article before honesty because it is used in general. When we use an abstract noun in general, we just omit article before abstract nouns. To understand this concept, let me write one more example. Love is blind. Look at here. Love is blind. Here love is an abstract noun and it is used in general sense. So I omit article before love. It means we do not go to write any articles before love. I hope you have understood this concept. Here articles are also omitted before languages. Articles are also omitted before languages. To understand this concept, let me write some examples here. English is the universal language. Is the universal language. Look at the example here. English is the universal language. English is a language here. So before the language, we omit articles. I hope you have understood this. To understand this, let me write one more example here. Sanskrit is the oldest language. Oldest language. Look at the example here. Sanskrit is the oldest language. Here, Sanskrit is a language. So, before Sanskrit, we omit article. I hope you have understood this. Here, articles are also omitted before proper nouns. Are also omitted before proper nouns. To understand this concept, let me write some examples here. Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka. Look at the example here. Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka. Here, Bangalore is proper noun. So, before this proper noun, we omit article. Because here it is name of the city. So, we omit article here. To understand this concept, let me write one more example. Gandhi is father of our nation. Look at the example here. Gandhi is name of a person and it is proper noun here. Gandhi is father of our nation. Look at here. Gandhi is proper noun, so we omit articles before Gandhi. We do not say the Gandhi or a Gandhi because it is proper noun. I hope you have understood this concept. Here, articles are also omitted before the names of materials. Articles are also omitted before the names of materials. To understand this concept, let me write some examples. Gold is a precious metal. Look at here. Gold is a precious metal. Gold is the name of a metal. So, we omit article before gold. To understand this concept, let me write one more example. Paddy grows in Karnataka. Look at the example here. Paddy grows in Karnataka. Here, paddy is the name of a crop here. So, before the name of a crop, we do not use any article. Article is omitted here. To understand this concept, let me write one more example. Iron is the strongest metal. The strongest metal. Look at the example here. Iron is the strongest metal. Here, iron is a name of a metal. So, before the name of a metal, just we omit article. I hope you have understood this concept. Articles are also omitted before school, church, before school, church, market, temple, prison, bed, table, hospital. When these places are visited or used for their primary purpose. When we use these places for their primary purpose or visited, we do not use any articles. To understand this concept, let me write some examples here. I go to market. Look at here. I go to market. Before market, article is omitted. Let me write one more example. God is in temple. God is in temple. Look at here. Before temple, article is omitted. Let me write one more example. I pray at church. Look at the example here. I pray at church. Before church, article is omitted. Look at the examples. Market, temple, church. These places are oftenly visited, are here used for their primary purpose. So here articles are omitted. I hope you have understood this concept. Articles are also omitted before the names of games. Before the names of games. To understand this concept, let me write some examples here. Dhoni plays cricket. Look at the example here. Dhoni plays cricket. Here, cricket is the name of a game. So, before the name of a game, just we omit article. We do not use any article before the name of a game. To understand this concept, let me write one more example. Hockey is the national game. Look at the example here. Hockey is the national game. Here, hockey is the name of a game. So, before the name of a game, article is omitted. I hope you have understood this concept. Here, articles are also omitted before the names of the relations like father, mother, brother, sister. Before the names of relations like father, mother, brother, sister, etc. To understand this concept, let me write some examples here. Mother is the first teacher. Mother is the first teacher of a child. Mother is the first teacher of a child. Look at here. Before the relation of mother, just article is omitted. We do not say or we do not use any article before mother. To understand this concept, let me write one more example. Father works in the field. Father works in the field. Look at here. Before the names of the relation, just I have omitted article. Why? Because it is the name of the relation. Father works in the field. We do not say the father works in the field or a father works in the field. We say father works in the field. I hope you have understood this concept. Here, articles are also omitted before the names of meals. To understand this concept, let me write some examples here. I have breakfast. Look at the example here. I have breakfast. Here, before breakfast, article is omitted. We do not use any article before breakfast. To understand this concept, let me write one more example. Lunch will be served in the afternoon. Look at the example here. Lunch will be served in the afternoon. Before lunch, we omit article. Why? Because it is the name of the meal. We do not use any article before lunch. I hope you have understood this concept. Articles are also omitted before plural nouns. Articles are also omitted plural nouns used to a class. Articles are omitted before plural nouns used to a class. To understand this concept, let me write some examples here. Boys go to school. Look at the example here. Boys go to school. Here, boys is plural noun. Before this plural noun, we do not use any article. Article is omitted here. To understand this concept, let me write one more example. Children are like gods. Look at the example here. Children are like gods. Here, children is plural noun. Before this plural noun, article is omitted because it represents whole class. It is used to represent whole class. To understand this concept, let me write one more example. Cattle are grazing in the field. Look at the example here. Cattle are grazing in the field. Look at here. Cattle is used to represent whole class. So, before this plural noun, just we omit article. We do not use any article before cattle. I hope you have understood the concept and you have learnt where we omit articles. Thank you. Have a nice day.